Good morning, students. This is Sama Gasge, and today we will start a new chapter number 2, that is shares and dividends. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to study the meaning of shares, dividend, equity shares, preference shares, okay, stock market, etc. So, first of all, we will see what is share. Okay, suppose one person or a group of people want to start a business. Okay, suppose that you have four people come across, okay, and they want to start a business. They want to start any business, or they want to start any company, okay, at this medium level. Then they will require a medium amount of, or the less amount of, a capita means it is a money which required to start a business. It is called capita. Okay, but जब कोई स्मॉल कंपनी स्टार्ट होने वाली है, then that company will require a small amount of capital, right? But suppose that if a big industry or any big brand is to be launched, then it required a big amount of capital, right? Then several people will contribute, okay, amount to form that capita. Then that capita, okay, is called the capita. Then that amount, this capita, will divide it into a small parts, okay, and it will call a shares. It will call a shares. Okay, so suppose that there are 10 people, okay, who are starting a big industry or a big company. Then, and suppose that they required a capital of 10 crores, okay, or 10 lakhs, it can be anything. Then that capita 10 crores will divide it into 10 equal parts, okay, and each person has to pay 1 crore, okay. Then this small part is called a shares. That small part of capita is called a share. Total कितना है, 10 crores का capital required है. Then each person has to pay 1 cr, 1 cr, 1 okay. So this 10 crore will divide it into 10 equal parts, and each person has to pay 1 crore. एक person को 1 crore contribute करना पड़ेगा. Then we can say that person is a 10% shareholder of that company, right? So the share means it is a small part, or the small part of the capital, okay, and the person who contribute that part is called a shareholder of that company. So in this company, how many shareholders are there? 10 shareholders are there, and they are paying 10%. That is a 1 crore, okay. That is called shareholders. That person who contributes in that company is called shareholders, and the amount of capita he contributes, it's called a shares, okay. So this is the general meaning. So in your book, it is given that the person who contributes in that company is called a promoters of that company, and the capital is divided into small part is called a shares, and the people who purchase shares are called shareholder of that company, okay. So this is about the shares. Now we will see share capital. The next point is share capital. The total capital of the company is divided into a number of a small unit of a equal value is called a shares, right? Thus, the capital of rupees 1 lakh may be divided into 1000 shares. Suppose you have a capital of rupees 1 lakh. Okay, then it can be divided into 1000 equal parts. So 1 lakh को 1000 equal parts 1000 shares बना सकते हैं and the one share will be of rupees 100, right? Will be of rupees 100. So someone is to invest in that company, then he can take 100 shares, then he can see total number of shares are 1000. So out of 1000 one can get 200 shares, one can get 300 shares like that. Okay, और फिर वो पर्सन क्या होगा, उतने परसेंट शेयर होल्डर हो जाएगा वो कंपनी का. So this is about the share capital. So total capital is divided into the small parts and that part is called a share of that capital. Okay, now we will see there are two types of shares. Okay, so the next topic is kinds of share and it is very important. So the question can come in exam, define share and also define the types of shares. Okay, so in this we are going to see the kinds of shares. So the usually shares are of two types. Okay, so the first type is preference shares and the second one is equity share. Okay, the second one is what? Equity shares. Now we will see these two types one by one. And the first one, preference shares, is further divided into two parts that we will see later on. So what is a preference share? The shareholder of these shares enjoy the preferential rights as regards the payment of the dividend and the repayment of the capital. So in this type of shares, the holder of that share get the certain rights regarding of getting the dividend. What is dividend? What is a dividend? You must have studied this word dividend. It is a distribution of a profit, okay, among its, the distribution will done by a company among its shareholder. So that is called a dividend. Okay, so preference shares में क्या होता है, जो भी shareholder रहेंगे of this type of shares, okay, they will get the preferential right of getting dividend and the repayment of the capital. Okay, उनको कुछ preferential rights देंगे, मतलब जो भी profit रहेगा it will be distribute them to first, okay, and then later on it will be distributed to equity shareholders. So इनको first preference दिया जाएगा for the dividend and for the capital repayment. Okay, now the rate of the profit or the dividend is fixed for this type of shareholder. Now इसमें क्या होता है, जो rate of profit है and the dividend, it is a fix, but it is paid before the profit is distributed on the equity shares. Okay, so before this the dividend and the dividend and the profit will be given to them, okay, on the prior basis. Now this type of shares will divided into two parts. So the first is cumulative preference share. So this is for the divided into two parts. So the first one is cumulative preference share and the second one is a non-cumulative. Okay, so in the cumulative preference share, the holders of these shares are entitled to the fixed dividend each year. Okay, so the rate of the profit will be fixed in this type of share, but the amount of dividend not paid in any years stand as a arrears and is payable out of the profit of the subsequent years. Okay, so it may happen in this case for the some year, okay, the profit is not paid to these holders, but it's payable out of the profit of a subsequent years. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो rate of the profit है fixed होता है, but the amount of that dividend not paid for the some years, okay, and it will be paid out of the profit for the subsequent year. Now in this type of share, this is A, this is B, non-cumulative preference share, the holder of these shares have the preferential rights for the fixed dividend out of the profits before the same are the distributes to the other classes of the share, but such dividend is payable only out of the profit of each particular year. Thus each year it lapses and cannot be claimed out of the future profits. Okay, so यहाँ पे जो होता है, for the each year they will get the profit. Okay, they cannot claim for the future profits, they can only get the profit for the particular year. Now the next one is the equity share. So what is equity share? These shares were formerly called ordinary shares. Okay, this is the preferential share. Here the holders are getting some rights regarding the dividend and the repayment of the capital, but here these type of shares are generally called ordinary shares. Ordinary shares. Okay, the holder of these shares are paid dividend after the claims of the preference shares holders are satisfied. Okay, so first right इनको दिया जाता है and then distribute profit distribute होता है this type of shareholder को. Okay, now the rate of the dividend in this type of share is not fixed, here it is fixed. Okay, and it varies from year to year depending upon the profit of the company. Okay, so here you can say there is a huge difference. What is the difference between them? Equity shares and the preference shares. Here the rate of the profit is a fixed, here it is a not fixed. Okay, the rate of profit is not fixed. Now the next topic is also, this is about the kind of the shares. The question can come for 3 or 4 marks. Define shares and write down the types of shares. Okay, so you can write down or you can make this chart. Now we will see the next topic, which is a dividend. So I have said what is dividend. It is a distribution of a profit among shareholders by the company or institute. This is the general meaning of dividend. Okay. So in your textbook, it is given that the net profit made by the company every year is ascertained from its profit and loss account prepared at the end of year. Out of net profit, the dividend at a specified rate is paid on the preference shares. The arrears of the dividend, if any, or the cumulative preference shares are also paid if the amount of the profit permits. Okay, the balance is then utilized for the payment of the dividend on the equity shares. So the dividend may be declared as a fixed amount per share or as a percentage of the capital of the company. Okay, so here dividend, what is the meaning of dividend? Then it is a distribution of a profit by the company among shareholders. Okay, so this is the distribution of the profit by the company among its shareholder. So क्या हो जाता है इसमें? The dividend, okay, firstly distribute among the preferential shareholders, and then the remaining profit is distribute among the equity shareholders. This is the method. पहले प्रेफरेंशियल शेयर होल्डर्स को ही राइट दिया जाता है, उसी में प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है, एंड द रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड among the equity shareholders. Okay, so the note on the dividend was asked in April 2007 and 2009. Just for 2 marks, write down describe the dividend. So you can write down the definition and you can give the description कि किसको dividend कैसे दिया जाता है. Okay, now the next topic is debenture. Now, what do you mean by a debentures? A company may require additional long-term capital, okay, for the extension and the development of the scheme. Other than that capital, the company may require another amount, okay, additional amount for the extension of that company, extension of their schemes. Okay, so one of the method of raising such finance is called a debentures. So the company can take a loan from any bank or from any other finance company. So that additional amount is called that method of getting that additional amount is called debenture. Okay, now the debentures are long term loans taken by the company from the public. The total amount to be borrowed is divided like a share capital, okay, into small units of a small equal amount. So any person, any ordinary person can also invest in that company, okay, in the form of debenture, and the members of the public are invited to lend such amount to the company at the specific rate of interest. So if you want to invest in certain companies, okay, the company will give you scheme. Okay, according to that you can invest your money at the certain percent of interest. Okay, then क्या होता है, फिर तुम्हें उसका प्रॉफिट मिलता है. अगर तुमने कुछ अपना अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट किया है किसी कंपनीज में, देन यू विल गेट द सम प्रॉफिट. ओके, कुछ परसेंट पे वो हमें प्रॉफिट प्रोवाइड करते हैं पर मंथ पर ईयर, जो भी अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स एंड नॉर्म्स ऑफ द कंपनी. So that is called a debentures. Okay, it is a different than the shares. शेयर्स तो कंपनी स्टार्ट करने के लिए जो कैपिटल होता है, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ शेयर. बट द डिबेंचर इट इज एन एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट, इट इज एन एडिशनल अमाउंट दैट कंपनी रिक्वायर्स. ओके, सो एनी पब्लिक, एनी मेंबर or any company can finance into it. Now the next topic is a bonus shares. Okay, bonus. This topic was also asked in April 2007 and 2015. So what do you mean by bonus shares? Sometimes a company reward its shareholder by issuing a free shares to them in a proportion of the share held by them. जैसे हमें मिलता है ना बोनस फ्रॉम द कंपनी, टुगेदर विद आवर पेमेंट हमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट मिलता है. ओके, वो जो भी हमारे प्रोपोर्शन होता है हमारे पेमेंट का, that is called a bonus from the company, right? So similarly there is a bonus share. Okay, bonus share क्या होता है, sometimes company provide a free shares, okay, on the ratio of their share. जो भी वो मतलब शेयर होल्डर है उसका जो भी परसेंट रहेगा, सपोज 10% शेयर होल्डर है वो कंपनी का, then the company will provide some free shares, okay, on the proportion of this 10%. Then that share is called a bonus share. Okay, but the bonus share, they are entitled for the all the rights such which is equal to the ordinary shares. Okay, so जो भी bonus share होता है, they don't have the rights like a preference shareholders. Okay, it is just like a equity shares. जैसे equity shares के पास जो rights होते हैं वही bonus shareholders के पास right होते हैं. In this way, the holding of a person increase and the amount of a corresponding to the bonus share is capitalized. The company can use the amount of capital expenditure. Bonus share are issued in ratio. The ratio can be A is to B, where the A is a free shares and the B is shares held. Okay, जो बी उनका जितना भी शेयर होगा उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग उनको फ्री शेयर दिया जाएगा. Now the next topic is a stock exchange face value, market value of the share. Okay. This is the last topic of this chapter. Okay. And after this we will solve some problems based on the shares. So the next topic is stock exchange. Then a face value, market value of a shares. Okay. So first of all we will see a stock exchange. Like if you buy any product from the market, okay, or if you don't like that product, then you can exchange that product. Okay. In a similar way, if you have a shares from of certain company, then you can exchange that share. You can buy them, you can sell them. Okay. So that procedure is called stock exchange. So the shares and the debentures are transferable assets. Okay. So the shares and the debentures both are transferable. You can transfer them to any other company, to any other people. Okay. They are bought and sold in a stock exchange. A stock exchange is a form of exchange which provides service for the stock brokers and the traders to trade stocks, bonds and other securities. Okay. So stock exchange also provide the facility for the issue and the redemption of the security and the other financial instruments and the capital events, including the payment of the income and the dividend. Okay, so you can buy. The stock exchange will provide the services, okay, different services uh, like issue and the redemption of the securities, okay, other financial instrument and the capital events, including the payment of the income and the dividend. So you can buy or you can sell your shares to any other company and to any other people. Okay. So this comes under the topic stock exchange. Now in India there are two prominent stock exchanges. Okay. The Bombay Stock Exchange, this is very important. In India, there are two prominent of the stock exchange. First is the BSE, which is a Bombay Stock Exchange. You must have heard this word. And the second one is a National Stock Exchange. Okay, this is an NSE, BSE and NSE. So the Bombay Stock Exchange, known as a BSE Limited, is the oldest stock exchange in the entire Asia. It is located at the J.G. Roy Towers, Dalal Street in Fort, Mumbai. Okay, it has the largest number of companies of the world listed on it. Okay, so this is the oldest stock exchange and it is in the Mumbai. And there are more than 5,000 Indian companies listed in this BSE. Okay. Now the total of the capital of shares listed on the BSE in 2012 census was the approximately 50,000 crores. Okay, it is given on the page number 2.3. The whole description is given on the page number 2.3. You can go through it. Okay. Nowadays the shares in a physical form have given a way to shares in demat form. Okay, in short, an investor has a list of shares he possesses and not a physical share certificate. This has a simplified several procedure and reduced lots of paperwork. Okay, now the next topic is what? Next topic is a face value. So the price stated on the body of a share or the debenture is called its face value or the nominal value. So जो भी price रहेगा of that share, it is called as a face value of that share or the nominal value. Okay. The price at which the debenture or a share is actually bought or sold is called a market value or the cash value. तो जिसमें हम लोग उसे सेल कर रहे हैं या बाय कर रहे हैं, दैट वैल्यू इज कॉल्ड अ मार्केट वैल्यू. ओके, एंड एक्चुअल वैल्यू जितना रहेगा इट इज कॉल्ड अ फेस वैल्यू, और जिसमें बाय या सेल किया जाता है इट इज कॉल्ड अ मार्केट वैल्यू. फेस वैल्यू और a nominal value, and the amount or the price, okay, in at which the debenture or the share is the sell or the bought is called a market value or a cash value. Okay. Now, if the face value and the market value of any share are equal, then that share is said to be at par. At par. If you have any share whose market value and whose share market and the cash value is same, then that share is called at par. Okay. So this is about the shares, the kind of the shares, then the dividend, debenture, bonus share, stock exchange value. Okay. Face value, market value of the shares. So the theory question was asked in this chapter, from this chapter, in April 2007, 2015, 2011, and it is mentioned on page number 2.9, exercise 2.1. Okay, so यहाँ पे questions given है, theory questions which was asked in several which was asked in April 2017, 2009, 2007, like that. Okay, so just go through it. On page number 2.9, 2.1 exercise is given and prepare for it. Okay, now in the next class we will start a problem based on this chapter.